Alright, I'm gonna go over some of the software for connecting the TriStar to one of our CutStrip machines. Right now I'm going to start off with Cayman. So Cayman 14 is compatible with 7 and higher for your S-on. So that's where I'm starting at. So I have Cayman 14 and installer. And yes, and yes, and yes, and next. It's not a PowerStrip 9500, so you keep that checked. And it's going to go ahead and do the install. And no release notes and finish. The beginning settings, you go to extras at the top and options and communication, and you select your model of choice. It's a multi-strip 9480. If for some reason you cannot make an adjustment here, you close out everything, including Cayman, right-click your desktop icon and run as administrator. Then you'll have access to this drop-down. So right now, the settings that we recommend to start with, the machine ends in, this will be 250.6. And apply, and OK. And on some of these Cayman applications, we need to run this patch installer, so that I recommend you run as well. And I closed out Cayman, and I'll just run this patch real quick. It's done. It has something to do with the comment interface, and it works on some computers and not others. Some people have upgraded from other versions, and it's fine. I just recommend if you load 14, you load this patch installer. So that's done. So then close that out. Sorry about that. Now I need to get to the network and sharing center on my computer. So here, and I'll go to the control panel and network and sharing center, Ethernet 5 properties. We're looking for TCP IP4 properties. Use this code. That is 192.168.250 and .3 on this one. .3. And subnet mask is 255s. Okay, close, close, close. on your CutStrip machine, so you have some choices. It doesn't matter if you have it in inch or metric, because you can control that through Cayman. So whatever one you want to choose there. We go to the double gears and machine and operating unit and turn on Cayman support. That'll give you this icon that I already had up here. Then we'll go to interfaces and Ethernet, and then this matches the Cayman one. So Cayman and the machine share the same IP address, 192.168.250.6, and then the subnet mask. And when you close this out, it's probably going to ask you for a power cycle. I've already add mine on, so right now you don't have to. I don't have to do the power cycle, but on yours you may have to. And if yours does arrive, if you're not using it in metric and you want to change it to metric, it's the two people icon, user interface, and then you can set up your units right here. That'll require a power cycle. So if you do a power cycle for your IP address, just wait before you do that one if you're going to change to this. But like I said, Cayman controls, you can program in either one with Cayman. It doesn't really matter. This will apply later on when we're trying to set up the marker. You do have to be in the Schlesinger icon whenever you want to connect to Cayman. So if you're in something else, you need to be in this icon before it'll connect.